Hello friends, how are you? Lot of things happening in the world of tech this week, lot of exciting stuff. Nokia has launched a new phone, iQOO has launched a new phone as well. There's a new phone by Xiaomi. Xiaomi has in fact launched a new tablet, a new Android tablet. And Realme is launching a lot of products today. So almost every day of the week we had a lot of launches. And amid all this, Elon Musk also bought Twitter, so there was a lot of news around that as well. And we have uploaded a lot of videos around all this stuff on our Hindi channel, so please do check them out. Also, we're back at home, as you can see, not in the studio today because unfortunately somebody in our team tested positive for COVID. Fortunately, I am doing absolutely fine, and this is why I keep telling all of you that the pandemic is still out there. So do take all the necessary precautions while going out. Make sure your families stay fit, they are fine. But here we are, it's Friday again, and all of you know what Friday stands for. This is the day when we do this Let's Get Techie episode where I take up all your questions, I try to answer them, make your life a little easier. So let's start the video. The first question I have today is from Spider, and he says, any update on the Pixel 6a India launch? Officially, not yet. Unofficially, we are hearing a lot of timelines. To be honest, if you ask me, I would say you will have to wait till September for the launch. I don't see it happening before that, or at least August. You will keep hearing a lot of different dates, a lot of different leaks. But ideally, because even when the 4A launched, the Pixel 4A, it came around the same time in September. So that is when you should expect the Pixel 6A to also launch, if that is it is coming to India. Nitish Kumar Rajput asks, is Xiaomi Pad 5 good for online teaching? Absolutely, I don't see any problem. Now, I haven't run any teaching software if you are planning to use them, but what I can tell you is that the tablet overall feels very fluid. It's very smooth. I've used it for a few days. The overall software and the UI, it's been optimized very well for this large screen, and the screen itself is pretty good. So there are a lot of things to be excited about the Xiaomi Pad 5, especially if you're also planning to get that stylus and the keyboard separately. Then it obviously gives you a lot more flexibility and allows you to do a lot more with this tablet. Abhijit Singh has asked, please compare Oppo Enco Air 2 Pro with Realme Buds 3. Abhijit, I have one simple line for you. The Enco Air 2 Pro sound better than the Realme Buds 3. So in case you are confused, in case you are planning to buy a pair of TWS and don't know which one to buy, definitely go for the Enco Air 2 Pro. Better fit, better sound quality, and much better active noise cancellation on these earbuds. Lastly, I have a comment from Harish, and he says that we should be making a lot more videos on smartphone photography tricks, tips and tutorials so that the viewers can learn from it. And he says that he knows that there are a lot of people out there who are interested in these sort of videos. So Harish, feedback taken. See, the only challenge that I keep facing is that it's not a huge team. We are only a bunch of people trying to do some quality work in the tech space. So sometimes it's not possible to touch upon everything. We have a lot of ideas. We want to make a lot of cool content for you guys, but because of time limitations, we are not able to. But feedback taken, I hear you. Will definitely try to make more smartphone tips and tricks videos in future as well. For the rest of you, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments box. Use the hashtag Let's Get Techie. I'll take them up in next week's video. And for our Hindi subscribers who are also here, well, I've just announced the giveaway winner on the Hindi channel, so do go and check that out. The May giveaway, which is a monthly giveaway for next month, will be out soon, so keep an eye on that as well.